Hi guys, it's Tom here. Welcome to the Python Affiliate Recurring Bitcoin Income System. The safest, most intelligent market analyst approach to become unbelievably wealthy with crypto this year. And guys, I've got to say, the opportunity is now and it is for everybody. Now, I'd just like to introduce you to Marius Landman, who's the Chief Analyst and Trader, who has quite an impressive record. Analysing some 40 odd cryptos, he's made 367 calls with 359 of them being correct, which works out to a percentage of 97.9% correct in his money making percentages. And he's certainly put them to good use with a 500% gain in a bear market this year, and in last year's bull market a whopping 7,000% gain in a bull market. So let me introduce you to Marius, and then I'll come back and tell you how you can get a free account to get your future in the crypto market underway. Here's Marius.
This is one of the most amazing opportunities that have come across my desk. This is a combination of providing cryptocurrency reports on a weekly basis associated with how you can make a bit of money. Everybody in the world are now looking for reports that are accurate. You have those accurate reports now, but you can also make very good money from this by simply referring people to this website. You can see here on the screen that we called the high of Bitcoin on 16 December 2017. We told our subscribers to sell. And as you go through this list, you can see that we called every single low and every single high right through to May. And here in June, I just made another call and sent that out to our Python Signal members. Now, if you combine this reporting in the sense that you are getting quality information reporting that you can rely on to build your portfolio in cryptocurrencies, and you combine this with a subscription package where you are an associate and refer this program to other people, you can make a substantial amount of money. Between all the mess of figuring out what is happening with charts and what is happening with Bitcoin, we're going to make it easy for you. And what we are going to provide to you are reports similar to what you see on the screen here. In this report, for example, we talk about complex algorithm data. We talk about an incoming spike, Bitcoin charts from last week. We give you 6 vital factors or indicators. We give you the top 10 altcoins that you can buy that is going to outperform Bitcoin by far. One of the calls that I made in the last 10 days have already made people in excess of 45%. We also give you an entry and exit plan, and then we give you a world stock market update. If you combine these reports with the affiliate program here, where you can make a percentage by referring people to these reports, your opportunity is unlimited.
Okay, Tom back again. Pretty exciting stuff, yeah? So what to do now? Click on the link that says click here for free account info and access, and that will slide you down the page to give you more information about the free affiliate account. And it says important note there that you have to use the sponsor name of TomTom to be able to get that free account. So click on the blue link there, and that'll take you over to the Python's website, and up the top right hand corner you'll see sign up there, and that'll open up a page that just check up the top that it does say TomTom. Again, you won't get the free account if it doesn't say TomTom there, and then click the green button down the bottom. That'll open up the page, and you can go through the site, and as you can see the left hand column there, you have network, finance, downloads, messaging, promote, etc. And you've also got some YouTube interview, private Telegram channel link and subscribers, affiliate payout plan all there to have a look at. And from now, like I said, just click on that, click here for the free account info, and you have to use the TomTom introduction, sponsorship introduction to be able to get that free account. Now when you're in, if you do in fact see just how good this already is, then and you're keen to get a fast start, then by far, in my opinion, the Galaxy level $500 membership for the full 55 days is the way to go. But that's personally my opinion. But of course, you can then call Wendy. Once you're in, Wendy can have a chat with you if you've got any questions and address any of your concerns and for questions going forward, of course. So welcome to Bitcoin Affiliate Recurring Income System. look forward to sponsoring you into the Python system, and of course along with Marius and all the gang to make this one heck of a year or years coming for you. See you soon.